Today I'm giving you a closer look at the YOOSO one-handed, single-handed mechanical keyboard designed for gaming. This is a full RGB gaming keypad designed for one hand with a nice palm rest, as you can see. It's got a really nice build, great buttons, as you can see. Great gaming buttons, industry standard. Those pop in and pop out. You can adjust and change these keys as you wish. You do have an off and on button back here, okay? And then it does come with the USB to connect to your computer. But this thing feels amazing. Great controllability. Great positioning on the buttons. But awesome for gaming. What a cool situation. You could do left or right-handed, but it's really designed for right-handed. Very cool. Giving you a closer look at the build, at the quality.